Hey cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. We are going to talk about the December Intention Box 2025 by Cloth and Paper. The theme is a moment to close and begin again. So let's go through our first item we have is the declutter inserts. So as you can see on here, the category, say it's your garage, things you want to keep, revisit, and let go. And they are two-sided, which I think is great. I like these. Next, we have the closure cover and dashboard. And if you see on here, let me get this piece of paper. You see on here they have the closure written on there. I think that's adorable. And then they also have this fin is closure in French. And then they have the back side of the dashboard. So that's really pretty. I love that. And we have this year's mindset. So this card right here, you can just pretty much, if you want to, capture the core lessons, lessons learned from this year. You can capture that on this card. It's a nice card, nice and sturdy. Just write a little note and then you can keep it in your planner as a reminder. This next one is the inner blueprint dashboard and the overlay. So this is beautiful. I absolutely love this. And this is just a reminder to build inner clarity. And I think this is really nice to have. I just love the design of it. I think it's very pretty. The next thing we have is the task folding insert. So you can just pretty much, it has this little area right here where you can put this. Say if you're filling this out and there's some things that you're not quite sure that you want to let go, you can take this, stick it on here, and then just write, that, hey, there's some things I'm thinking about letting go. Say, it's the car, the house, and the furniture. All right, and say you're not sure about that. So you can just write it on there so it's not permanent, written in here. And then you can just fold this up for privacy because these are things that you're thinking about. You really don't want it out in the open like that. You can just fold it up like that. Easy. All right, next thing we have is the planner system cards. You get 3 of these. And these are pretty much for you to just write, if you want to, your system and accessories for your planner. So this really would have been good for me early on because it would have prevented me from buying some things that I thought I needed and I bought anyway, so now I have double. So to be able to write out all the things that your wants and your needs on these cards, I think that would be great. I think this is awesome. It's an awesome system. And then you can just keep it in your planner, when you're shopping or when you think about something, you just write it down that you might need for your planner. I think that's awesome. Okay, next is a letter to future self card and envelope. So this is the envelope, and inside it has a piece of paper that you can write a letter to your future self. So this would be a good thing to do. I mean, you can do this anytime, but particularly now, since it's the end of the year, and then maybe open it up next year Lord willing, December 2026, and see if, you know, things change, remain the same, or whatever. All right, next thing we have is the adhesive vellum pocket. So these are pockets that have the adhesive tape on the back. You can just take these strips off of here, and then you can tape it or put it on one of your dashboards. And then if you want to, you can put little notes to yourself, or you can put your planner, focus, and accessory card in there. You can do whatever you want. But if you're using this, like say, for example, if you're using this in your planner and you have all your closure items back here, you can put little notes to yourself in there about the things that you let go, if you want to. But you can use these. I think these are great. It's kind of just giving you more space in your planner to put things. You can, you know, really, you can put stickers in here if you want to. You can put your closure photo in here if you want to. So you can do whatever you want. It's multi-purpose. The next thing we have is our 2026 spiral desk calendar. So I thought this was too cute. And then you can keep this on your desk. It has the month, the year, and the dates on here. And then you can just put your important dates on here. If you want to put your husband, your wife's birthday on here, your children's birthday, the grandbaby's birthdays, you know, dates that you have to do something, your flight, you know, if you have to fly somewhere, put the date on there that you fly. You can do all kinds of things, but I thought this was really sleek, and you can definitely, I think of it as an at a glance calendar. You know, you can just kind of leave it open because it's not taking up a lot of room on your desk. And you can just kind of just leave it open and just have those dates right there popping out for you. I think it's cute. I like the design of it too. Next, we have, and this is my favorite out of the whole box, is the 2026 yearly fold out insert. I seen somebody had one of these on YouTube and I was like, man, where did they get that from? But now I have it. So I think this is really nice. I love the design and how they, you know, have it where the holes are right here and it's not impeding on you being able to move it around in your planner. And it has all 12 months on there. But I think it's beautiful. I love it. And here are your stickers. So you can use these as markers, as cues in your planner. You can do lots with this. Tabs, however you want to use it. And we have our pins. We always get great pins in our subscription box. And then you have your February vellum card. Remember last month we got the January card. So now we got the February card, which is perfect. And then last but not least, your closure photo. And I want to say these are file cabinets on here. I think so. So that's it. That's your December box. A moment to close and begin again. Thanks for watching.